वेलकम बैक टू कॉलेज वीआईटी। और ये रहा आज का वी प्रोपल का क्वेश्चन, स्ट्रेंज एडिशन ट्रायंगल। देखो, इट्स अ वेरी नाइस ट्रायंगल गिवन बाय शकुंतला देवी. Most of you might not be knowing about this. Okay, so it's a very nice property. Okay, it's a very nice triangle with a very nice property. Initially when I solved this problem, I was getting a runtime error. Okay, the Vpropel compiler was telling me to run to check for infinite loops. Later, I understood the logic, the concept behind this triangle. Okay, the entire solution for this code is for this question is behind this triangle itself. Okay, so let me first tell you what it is. See, this is my first row, second row, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th row. Okay, this is my number of rows. And see, for the first row, it's written 1 over here. Okay, similarly, for the second row, it's written 2 and 6. Now, if you will add 2 and 6, what will you be getting? You will be getting 8. Okay, similarly, if you will be let me open my notepad. Okay, so for the first row, it's written 1. Okay, now see, for the second row, 2 plus 6 gives you how much? 8. Similarly, for the third row, 3 plus 8 plus 15 gives you how much? It gives you 27. For the fourth row, 4 plus 12 plus 20 plus 28 gives you how much? It gives you 64. Similarly, for the fifth row, 5 plus 15 plus 25 plus 35 plus 45 gives you how much? It gives you, I guess, 125. Similarly, for the sixth row, if you add all these numbers, you'll be getting 216. Okay, can you tell me what it is? Can you see it? Can you just look at these numbers and can you tell me what it is? 1 is nothing but cube of 1. Similarly, 8 is nothing but cube of 2. Similarly, 27 is nothing but cube of 3. Similarly, 64 is nothing but cube of 4, and so on. This is the uniqueness of this triangle, strange addition triangle, given by Shakuntala Devi. It's a very nice thing. Okay. Similarly, if you look at these numbers, see, if 2 is multiplied by 3, you will get 6. Similarly, when 3 is multiplied by 3, you will get 9. If 3 is multiplied by 5, you will get 15. Similarly, when 4 is multiplied by 3, you will get 12. If you multiply 4 by 5, you will be getting 28. Okay. So over here, these numbers are multiplied by odd numbers. Okay, these numbers are multiplied by odd numbers to get these numbers, and if you add these numbers, add each row, you will be getting cube of that particular number of row. Suppose this is 7th row, so keep on multiplying 7 times. Keep on multiply 7 with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, keep on multiplying 7 with 7 times with all the odd numbers. With all odd numbers, you'll get the series, and if you add this series, it will be equal to the cube of 7. This is why this triangle is very unique, given by Shakuntala Devi. Sorry to say. Okay, so this is how unique this triangle is. So in order to solve this question, you don't need to go for a lot of for loops and a lot of concepts and nested for loops. Initially, I did it with nested for loops, so for that I was getting runtime error. Okay, but it's a very damn easy question. You just need one single for loop. Let me move on to the code. Okay, अच्छा मैं ये भी तो बता देता हूँ कि इस क्वेश्चन में हमें करना क्या actually. See, over here, what you have to do is see. First line contains number of rows. Okay, first line contains number of rows. Second line contains number of the value of the row r. First line prints the sum of element in the rth row. हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या होगा कि बता देगा कि हमें एक ट्रायंगल फॉर्म करना है जिसके पास ट्रायंगल फॉर्म करना है जिसमें n पर्टिकुलर रोज था. ठीक है, जैसे कि यहाँ पे देखो ओवर हियर देयर आर टोटली 10 rows. There are totally 10 rows. Similarly, in the question, they will be providing you that how many rows you want. Okay, 8, 10, or whatever. After that, what you have to do is, after that, they will even give you the rth that a particular row. For example, 7th row. तो 7th row में जितने भी elements आते हैं, उसका sum तुम्हें display करना है, and you have to even display the sum of all the elements present inside that triangle. Okay, so बहुत easy question है. ठीक है, let me move on to the code. Num row input. Similarly, rth row input. Okay, now see, total sum. I'll be creating a variable with named as total sum. Now see, for I in range starting from 1, num row plus 1. Now what I'm doing over here is I'm going for a for loop. Okay, starting from row number 1 to num rows, total number of rows my user wants. Now see, what I'll be doing is total sum is nothing but plus equals to I star I. Now you might be clear with this. मैं यहाँ पे I star क्यों कर रहा हूँ देखो. Suppose if it is the first row, so what will be the sum of elements present in the first row? It will be nothing but cube of 1. Similarly, if the value of I becomes 2, it means I am considering about second row. So for the second row, what will be the sum of all the elements present inside the second row? It will be nothing but 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So I have to add 8 over here. Keep on doing that, okay? This is how I'll be getting my answers. Now see, so what I'll be doing is print. Moreover, here they have said that I have to even print the sum of R row. मतलब देखो, the user will be providing a particular row. For example, if this is 7, so basically my user is asking me कि 7th row में जो element है उनका summation क्या होगा. So it will be equal to nothing but 7 into 7 into 7. That's all. Okay. So that is what I'll be writing over here. Print rth row star rth row star rth row. अगर बैकग्राउंड में कोई नॉइस आ रही होगी तो उसके लिए सॉरी यार, क्योंकि मेरे घर पे टीवी चल रहा है. ठीक है, अकेले तो रहता नहीं मैं. एनीवेज ठीक है. एंड सिमिलरली टोटल सम. ठीक है, ये भी हो गया. So let me just run it and show it to that it is properly working. So suppose my strange triangle is having 5 basically 5 rows हैं उसमें, and I need the sum of elements present inside the third row. So this is going to be the answer. देखो third row है तो third row में कौन कौन से elements आते हैं. Let me show you कौन कौन से element आते हैं. Third row में basically देखो 3, 9 और 15 आते हैं. इन सभी को ऐड कर दोगे then you will be getting 27, and that is what it's written over here. And similarly, as I said, I'm having strange triangle up to 5 row. मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक जितने भी elements है, if you will add all these numbers, you will be getting 225. Okay. So that is all for today's code. Okay, this is how much you have to write for this. It's a very simple code. Okay, so thanks for watching.